कौन कहंदा सुनदा नहीं दाता।
In the bustling city of Lahore, amid traffic horns, street vendors, and colonial-era architecture, stands a sanctified space that pulses with spiritual power and cultural depth, the Data Darbar Shrine. This is no ordinary religious site. It is the spiritual nucleus of Lahore and one of the most visited Sufi shrines in South Asia. What makes Data Darbar so unique is its universal appeal. Unlike orthodox religious institutions that often draw specific sects, Data Darbar is a sanctuary for all, Sunni, Shia, Christian, Hindu, and even non-religious people seeking peace. Its inclusivity is its power. The fame of Data Darbar extends beyond Pakistan. Devotees from India, Afghanistan, Iran, and even Europe and North America make it a point to visit when in Lahore. Several diaspora communities have established cultural associations in its name. Data Darbar is not only a place of worship but a social safety net. It houses one of the largest free kitchens in the country, which feeds tens of thousands of people daily. For many homeless and impoverished citizens of Lahore, it is a lifeline. Culturally, the shrine has become a center for preserving and promoting indigenous art forms. It has also inspired generations of poets, musicians, and filmmakers. Legendary qawwals like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and Abida Parveen have often attributed their spiritual awakening to visits to Data Darbar. In an increasingly divided and violent world, Data Darbar serves as a refuge for the distressed. Many believe that the saint possesses miraculous powers and that prayers made at his shrine are fulfilled. Perhaps the most important contribution of Data Darbar in contemporary times is its resistance to extremism. In a country where sectarianism and religious violence have often dominated headlines, the shrine has stood firm as a beacon of inclusive Islam. This very inclusivity has also made it a target. In July 2010, twin suicide bombings at the shrine killed over 50 people and injured hundreds. In 2019, another attack by a suicide bomber targeting police guarding the shrine resulted in several fatalities. Despite these tragedies, the spirit of the shrine remains unbroken. Every attack has only strengthened the resolve of its followers. Data Darbar is more than a shrine. It is Lahore's heartbeat, a people's parliament, a spiritual hospital, and a cultural powerhouse. It offers food to the hungry, hope to the hopeless, and meaning to the lost. In the face of rising intolerance, it reminds us that the power of love and faith can outlast bombs, bullets, and bigotry. In a country dominated by militaristic thinking and rigid state control, spiritual places like Data Darbar emerge as powerful alternatives for the people. Its vast following, inclusive message, and deep emotional connection with millions make it more than just a shrine. It becomes a symbol of the Pakistan that could be pluralistic and humane. When millions gather around the ideals of love, tolerance, and equality, they shake the foundations of state-sponsored radicalism. Sites like Data Darbar can serve as a soft yet irresistible force against extremist ideologies. They can push public discourse toward harmony, compel political leadership to reconsider divisive policies, and gradually pressure the military establishment to step away from hardline dogmas. By preserving and elevating the message of saints like Hazrat Ali Hajwiri, civil society can free itself from the grip of extremism. In this process, Data Darbar may not only be the beginning of spiritual awakening but also a starting point for building a more democratic, just, and stable Pakistan.